Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can export a video frame as a photo using CapCut. Let's get started. Open up CapCut application in your mobile device and then inside here, scroll below and then look for All Tools option. Now inside here, under Quick Action, source for frame capture and then tap onto it. Next, select the video that contains the frame you want and then tap on Next. Now you can use a timeline to find the exact frame you want to save. And once you find it, simply tap on capture. Just like that, you can capture multiple frames if you want. Just move to another spot in the video and then tap on capture again. And when you're done, simply tap on export right over here. And CapCut will save the frames as photos on your device. And that's it. That is how you can export a video frame as a photo using CapCut. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.